for the purpose of the new persons joining us, we'll be doing a summary, an introduction of the business before we start today's main topic. But the topic is also, it will all, it will be linked together, because the topic of today is also for both the new and for the old. Okay, because I found out that most people enter a business with the wrong mindset, and it's bad. Okay, so for those that we have new persons, you are welcome to this business, RoyalQ. I heard about RoyalQ in 2021. I think I started seeing it in June. I joined in July of 2021. So this business, number one, is an artificial intelligence robot. Is an app we download, we register, we pay for the subscription for 1 year, which is 120. So once we pay for the subscription, the robot helps us to trade the cryptocurrency market. So many of you must have heard that people crying that they did crypto ate their money. This one, they lost money in crypto. Yes, crypto has different parts. They have the futures and they have the sports trading. In the futures, it's just like gambling. You place a bet that Bitcoin will go up. If Bitcoin don't go up and goes down, you lose your money. So anytime you see someone saying, I lost money to crypto, let them tell you, ask them which part of crypto. Because in the part of crypto we are doing, the robot is helping us to trade. It's just buying and selling. It buys at a price when the coins are down, and it sells at a good price when the coins start increasing. So that is what the robot help us do in this business. The mindset, the business is all about, you just like you starting up a provision store. You understand? So you remove any mindset of how much can I make? How much can I make daily if if I'm starting with $100 capital? You understand? So all we know that in the business is like you starting up a provision store. You'll be making profit. It's not a business that you just do for 1 year and stop. It's a business, just like when you want to start a provision store, you know that it's another source of income you have opened. You understand? So some people will say, what if they lose money? They find RoyalQ today, they did not see, or they find it tomorrow, they did not see. RoyalQ is not with your capital. Your trading capital will be in your exchange, safe and secured. Your trading capital will be in your exchange, safe and secured. So even if you find RoyalQ tomorrow and you don't see it, know that your capital is in your exchange. You can link it with your Binance, to your Bybit, to your OKX, to your almost 9 exchanges. You can link it. And the robot will link the robot with the help of an API. The robot will go to your exchange and be buying the coins, sell it back to your USDT, use your USDT, buy more quantity of the coin. When the price of that coin is going down, the robot will use your USDT to be buying more quantity of that coin, so that once the price starts going up, it will start selling and be making you profit. So the business is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's a business that surely, if you build it, you are going to make money on the long run. You are going to make money, because everybody starts a business to make money. Just like when Coca-Cola started, the first year they did not make any money, but today they are making millions of dollars. When I started RoyalQ, I did not build a house that first year. I started in 2021 and I started my house in 2023 ending, and I completed it in 2024. So you are starting this RoyalQ business as adding another source of income to what you had before. So it's not a business that like a Ponzi scheme that I want to put 500, I want to start with 500. How much will I be getting monthly? No, no. But RoyalQ do promise us that we get 0% to 30% monthly. But sometimes we'll get higher, sometimes we'll get lower. It's a business. If you don't make it, just like if you open your store today, you don't make sales today, you open it tomorrow. You don't make sales, you open next tomorrow, you must make sales. So the business is all about the AI robot helping us to trade, buy coins when they are low, sell at a higher price, and make us profit. That is the majority, what the 90% of what RoyalQ is trading this cryptocurrency commodity. So before we enter the main topic for the day, before we enter the main topic for the day, those that joined us for this, that is just joining us, the new persons, I don't know if you have any questions on what you have heard me speak. The lowest to start, the minimum you can use to start the business is that 120 plus at least 10 or $20. Then your capital, you can start with as low as $50. So the minimum to start is between $180 to $240. You can start this business while you grow. So Mr. Obina Peter and Adebisi Onye Nuga, I don't know if you have any question. You can use the reaction. You can see the reaction below. You can use it and click on raise hand. We'll ask you to unmute your mic. Then you talk to us if you have any question about the business, or if you don't want to talk to us, you can click on the chat below and you can drop your message and it will be attended to. Once again, you are welcome. You are welcome to this presentation. Okay, so we'll enter into the topic for today, which is about the mindset of this business, because we found out that so many people are in the business. Someone that did RoyalQ in 2021 today, and he stopped in 2022, he chatted me today and he's asking me, if I start with 500, what will I get monthly? Someone that have done a business for 1 year and he stopped. He's coming back now. He's asking me, because of the mentality, that mindset. If you don't have the mindset that this business, you treat it like a business, you will always come in with the mentality of Ponzi scheme or gambling or betting. Put this one, how much will you get? You understand? It's like a business. It's just like you starting up a provision store. You can start with 1 million. Even before you make profit of that 1 million, you see some people that they have already expanded their provision store. They have increased their capital. They must have increased their capital to maybe doing business with like 5 million. Once they have spend money, they have money that comes out, they will add to their business. They know that they are building their business. You can start with $100, your profit will be like $0.5, $0.1, $0.05. I hope you can hear me. So that money they are adding, is in their exchange wallet and not to RoyalQ. And not to RoyalQ. So they add the money to increase their capital. Once they increase their capital, you see results. We have people making $400 a day, $500 a day. We have someone that have made up to $1,005 a day, $800 a day, $1,000 a day, depending on how you build your capital. Remember, sometimes we enter a trade, we take 2%, we take 1.5%. It's now your capital that will determine your profit. Okay? So what mindset do you need to be successful in this business? Okay? I think we have a question. My name is Adebisi Onyenuga. I wanted to know when to start, when I get the money. Is there a particular time one can start? Yes. And the business involves another a very important question. I forgot to mention it. In the business, just like in agriculture or most business, they have season. It's just like you want to start up umbrella, you want to start selling umbrella, you want to start up umbrella business. You know that you don't just import umbrella anytime you like. You can import it. If you import it in sunny season, you might not make enough profit, enough sales. So you have to wait till the next raining season for you to make good sales in umbrella. Okay? Cryptocurrency has a 4-year cycle. It has a 4-year cycle and it involves 2 seasons, the bull and the bear season. In the bear season, what happens is that once crypto has increased and increased and reached its peak, once crypto has increased, it will get to a point that the value will start dropping. People will take profits. People will sell off their crypto. You see that the value of the value of the coins they are trading will start depreciating, reducing. In the bear season, that is what we always encounter. Coins will just be falling. Just like we saw Bitcoin in the last bull season, Bitcoin increased to 69,000. Then when the bear season came, from 69,000, Bitcoin reduced to 15,600. So the period that Bitcoin from that 96,000 and fall down to 15,000, that period we call it the bear season. Now, when Bitcoin now starts increasing, it will get to a point that Bitcoin has fallen down. People will now start coming in. Institutions will start buying it at a cheaper price. People will come in. Bitcoin will start increasing. Coupled with the 4 years Bitcoin halving, when when supply is being half, you see people will rush in. That one will not make the price to continue going up. That is what we call the bull season. So to your question, yes, you are advised to come in when crypto is down. Like what we are facing now, crypto has been down for more than a month. Since we experienced that push when Bitcoin pushed in last month, crypto has been down. But we are still expecting the bull run because this is the 4th year. This is the year for the bull run having. So we are supposed to, this is the year for we did the Bitcoin halving last year. So this is the year. We should be in the bull season when coins will be going up. But sometimes coins will be down, due to some market news and everything. But we are still expecting that this year that coins will shoot up and we experience the bull season. You understand? Okay, so coins are down is a good time. A day BC is a good time that you start when coins are down. You understand? When coins are down is a good time for you to start when coins are down. When people are not cashing, when people are not selling, coins are down now because the value of coins are down. So it's a good time for you to enter, to start trading the coins, to buy the coins to trade when those coins are down. Okay. Now, Peter Mary said, "Good evening, sir. It's my first time here, trying to get the objective and opportunity. You are welcome. You are welcome. Uh, the objective and the opportunity is the artificial intelligence robot that we use to trade. It helps us to trade cryptocurrency in the spot market where we don't experience real loss, but we only experience floating, floating loss and floating profit. That means when the coin's value is going up and is coming down. If it's going up, it's floating profit. If it's coming down, it's floating loss. So that is what we call the waiting time. You just have to wait for the coin value to increase to what the profit you want. You have set the robot to take for you. The robot will sell and give you your both your capital and your profit. Okay, so that is the opportunity we have. That is the opportunity we are introducing to you today. We have been on it since 2021. From this opportunity, I've bought my first car from here. From this opportunity, I built my house. This house I'm staying, and I'm a landlord of three tenants with this same opportunity. That is what we are selling to you. Then, top row, how do we know coins to trade on? I told you to wait, but you have dropped it. How do we know coins to trade? On our group? We are listed some community coins. We have listed community coins, coins that have their market cap is huge and they have good followership. They have plenty people trading them. Coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, ADA, SRP, and Dodge and the rest, they are called the community coins. You can trade on them. Thank you. So back to the topic of today, the mindset. Now the mindset of this business is very simple. Take it like you are trading, you are starting up a provision store. You know, when you start up a provision store, your focus is how do I make this business big? I've started this provision store with 500,000, but some people are trading their provision store, their goods inside is worth more than 5 million. How do I get my own to that level? You know, profit will come, but you cannot compare you rented a shop and you're selling only bag of pure water, and someone else that rented the shop and stock it with so many goods. You cannot compare the profit. That's why I tell people, once you start this business, it's not that you should not be after profit, but remove your eyes from profit when you start. Focus on building your business. How do you build? How do you get more knowledge? You are seeing people posting profit of $10 a day, $20 a day, $5 a day. You should check their capital. Capital determines the number of trades you can carry at a time. You can instruct the robot to trade for you at a time. Someone that have like $1,005 in the in as capital can comfortably trade five five coins. 5 times 300 is 1,500. Now, you that have only 100 or 200 or $300, you can comfortably trade only one coin. Now, if that's your one coin, maybe coin A did not move today, you know that you will not make profits today. But someone that have 1 5 trading 5 coins, if coin A did not move today, coin B will move. If coin B did not move today, coin C will move, or D and E can move. The person will make profits. You, because you are trading only one coin and that coin is not volatile today, you see you will not make profit. That is why once you start, remove your eyes from profit and work on how to build your account. When I started with $200 and I built my account in the space of 4 to 5 months. I was trading with almost $5,000 before I bought my car. Okay, so the mindset is key. The mindset is key. Now, another note is about the strategy. Because I've seen so many people, which strategy will I use? Which strategy will I use? We are trading in sports, right? And there's when we are at the bottom. Maybe coins, when Bitcoin increased to 109, Bitcoin now dropped to 82, 81, 83. Is now between this support. 82, 81, 83, 81, 82, 83. Any coin you enter that time, when we are down, when crypto is down, you don't need signals, you don't need strategy. All you need is just arrange your capital. Your 300, what is your 300? What you want to bring out as your first buy? The rest, use them to set up your margin calls. When coins are down, and you enter the trades newly, when coins are down, you just pick a community coin and enter. Definitely you get results. It's not your strategy, the new strategy that is making you to make profits. It is because of coins have been down. Once crypto has gotten support down, the next thing it will do, it will start going up. So it's not your strategy that is making you to make profits. It's because of the point at which crypto is. That is why we are using the robot, the AI robot. Me, I don't disturb myself. All I know is that let me have $300 to trade at least one coin. Even if I want to trade 3 coins, let me have 333. Let me have $900. I want to trade 3 coins. And I set up my margin to cover at least 40 to 50%. That is my own. And the coins are community coins. I don't care whether crypto is crashing or going up. No, I've already set it on cycle trading, autopilot. So there's nothing like me looking for strategy that will work this one. It works with the movement of cryptocurrency. If you now say you have a strategy, and when crypto has reached its resistance, maybe Bitcoin pumped to 100 or 109, and you say you have a strategy, you now entered with that strategy, and Bitcoin now fall again to 80. How will strategy help? What you should be looking at is your time, your percentage drop. Your margin call percentage drop. That is what should be coming to play here, not the way you arrange your capital, your times. No, it's the drop. If you want to enter a coin but crypto, that's at that point of crypto, everybody is happy and is up. You should know that your drop you should space your drop. Your drop should be like 5%, 4%, 6%, 8% drop, because the point you want to start that trade, coins are already up. But if we are now at the support, and Bitcoin is on 61, 62, 63, and for long, we are now at the support. All we are looking for is when Bitcoin will start going up. Your margin call drop can be 1.3, 1%, 0.5, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, because you are not expecting it to go down any further for that at that point. So I want us to understand the point in the business we are into. Now everywhere is quiet. Most people are not making profits because of crypto is down at the support. Maybe their capital could not carry them because of they did not space their margin drop percentage. So if Bitcoin did minus 30% from that 109 to 80,000 or 81,000, maybe their capital could not carry that drop. That is why, okay, as Bitcoin is moving from 81 to 82, 83, they are not making profits because they have used up their capital to cover the price range of maybe Bitcoin from 109 to maybe 100,000 or 90,000. But now Bitcoin has reduced further to 81, 82. Their capital could not carry it again. So now they are not making profits. And they are looking at which kind of business is this. No, the mindset is the key. You must not make profits at every point in time in a business, in a genuine business. It's only Ponzi scheme that they want you to click a button at every, maybe from 2 or 3 o'clock, click and you get profit. What they are doing, they are giving you some part of your money back so that before you make like 40% back, they will tell you to upgrade your package or the system will not work again for you. So the mindset is the key in the business. The mindset is the key in the business. In this business, you paid $120 to a robot. Just you don't have to disturb yourself for signals and all that, especially in the bull season. Especially in the bull season. In the bear season, yes, we can look for signals, but in the bull season, what me I do, I pick $300 for one coin. If it's 900 I pick three coins, three community coins. I can pick ADA, I can pick SRP, I can pick BNB or Solana or Ethereum or BTC or I mentioned ADA. Pick them according to your capital and trade them on cycle. You understand? Trade them on cycle. With that, I don't need to start looking for signals in the bull season. While we advise for you to trade community coins, you are very sure that even if it reduce by 30, 40, 50% today, once crypto start moving, they will also follow Bitcoin to move. You are very confident that there's nothing like delisting. Like they will say they want to come and delist ADA that USA have added as one of the currency for their reserve. So you see, there are some coins that Binance cannot even dream of delisting or considering for delisting. So I'll get those coins, trade them. Even if I'm in floating loss on them on -20, -30, -40, I don't shake. All I will do is that I will make sure that my robot is buying my margin calls. If my capital finish, I'll look for more money, add to expand my business. My joy is that I was trading with $900 for this month. Next month, let me try and add like $200 to my 900. Let me start trading with one one 1,001. The uppermost, let me see, even if it's $100, let me add to my capital so that I will start doing business with, I will start trading with 1 3. With this, as you are adding and you are putting it in your business, you will see that your profit self will be increasing. Your capital is increasing. Remember, your capital, is your money. The robot is only using it to buy this coin, sell, make profit, return it back. Use this one, buy this coin. If other is going down, it will be using your capital to be buying more quantity. Capital is your capital. Nothing like the RoyalQ is going on maintenance and you don't have access to your capital. No, your capital is not with RoyalQ. So the mindset is key in this business. The mindset is key. That is why I will love people to get the mindset first. Get that mindset for the business. Get the mindset for the business so that because in every genuine business, there are always trying times. It is that mindset, that genuine, that right mindset will make you be confident when the trying times come in RoyalQ business, because every genuine business have trying times. You open your provision store for 1 full week, you are not making profit. It's a trying time. Coca-Cola, when they started in the first day, they only sold 10 bottles. It's a trying time, but they have their focus. They have the right mindset for the business. That is why they move on. And today you can see how big Coca-Cola is. A business that only sold 10 bottles. If it's some people in Nigeria, they would have just killed the business. Do you know how much they spent in that first year when they were starting Coca-Cola? Do you know how much they spent for them to sell only 10 bottles in that year as a new business? But some people don't have that patience to build a business. My account has given me up to 77 million since 2021 I started. That's what I used in buying my car, building the house, doing some other things. But back then, in 2022, there are some days, there are some weeks you will not make profit. There are sometimes you will not make profit at all back then in 2022. But we still move on. We still continue the business. We are still pushing the business, even on those days that we did not make profits. Because the mindset is the mindset. We have the vision. Now, this is not Ponzi scheme, it's a business. As long as cryptocurrency is the future, my RoyalQ business, I must take it serious because it's the future. It's a business that if I'm no more today on earth, my wife, my kids will continue the account. The business will still be there. My trading will still be going on. And they will still be making profits from there. So this business is like you starting a provision store. Please take it serious and you will see with dedication, your hard work, you taking it serious, you always see success in the business. Thank you once again for having the time, for creating time to join us today in this Zoom. And I believe that as you take it serious, you will see results. It's very clear. If you take it serious, you see results. But if you don't take the business serious, you will not see results. It's not a Ponzi scheme. Okay, so thank you. So we'll be taking some questions now. We'll be taking some questions. If you have questions, like I said, use the chat box or use the reaction to raise your hand. So we'll ask you to unmute yourself so you speak with us. Or you can use the chat box to drop your questions. Okay, So I have a question for Evangelist Ojo Paul. How do I know if I still have trading going on? Once you open your RoyalQ, below you click on strategy. You will see your running trades. So you click on running trades, or you click on stop. You will know if you still have trades on, running trades on. Okay. So top UR said, what's the difference between one shot and cycle? Yes, like when I was talking, I said I place my coin in cycle mode. My coins are on cycle mode because I'm trading a community coin, and my margin calls can cover up to 40 to 50%. So I place it on cycle. Cycle means once you buy and sell and make profits for me, buy that coin again, buy that same coin again, and continue trading it for me in cycles. Trade and make profits for me multiple times. That is what cycle mode is. Then one shot means, okay, trade this ADA for me, trade this Bitcoin for me. Once you make my profit for me, stop. Once you make my full profit for me, because in RoyalQ gives us two types of profit, the sub-in profit and the full profit. So one shot means, if you are using one shot cycle, it means RoyalQ, once you give me my full profit from this coin, stop it. Close the trade, don't trade again. So that is it. So please, do we have any question? Do we have any question for us? Do you have any question for us? Wow. Wow, we are 41. I'm happy that we have started taking the Zoom serious, and it's very encouraging for people that are coming to learn, because this mindset, it's not only in RoyalQ you need this mindset. Most people, even when they want to do their other businesses, they don't get the mindset for that business. They just venture in it because of money, because of profit. Knowledge should come first. Learn. That is why you see in Igbo culture, you go to do apprenticeship first. It's not that you don't have the money. Igbo man can have money to start a business, but the person will go for apprenticeship, learn the business from someone that is already doing it. So you get the experience. If the person is failing, you will see what the person is doing that is not right. You gain experience, then you now come and open your own. The mindset is key. We always advise and start small. When you start small, get the knowledge, and you expand. Okay? So I think we have someone, Kelechi Easy. Please, Aston, you can unmute yourself and talk to us. Thank you. Mr. Kelechi, you can unmute yourself. You are raising your hand. Please unmute yourself and talk to us. So do we have any other question? Is that Mr. Kelechi is not with us? Please, if you don't want to chat with us, if you don't want to unmute yourself to speak, you can always drop your question on the chat box. Mr. Kelechi, are you with us? Hello? Okay. Ade Deji, Daniel, God bless you. You're a good teacher. Thank you. Amen. 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 So do you have anybody answering question? Adebisi, do you want to speak with us?
Yes.
Please go ahead. Good evening. Welcome.
Good evening. I want to correct my name. My name is Adebiyi Oyenuga, not Adebisi. Adebiyi.
Sorry, Adebi. Noted.
Adebiyi Oyenuga. Please,
Okay.
my question goes thus. Now I don't have the money to start the business per se. So when I have the money, can I call you privately to put me through and when to start?
Okay. Adebi. Sorry for that. Sorry that I mistake the name. Adebi. Please, once when you are ready to start, the person that invited you to this Zoom, the person that gave you the link for you to come to the Zoom, you meet the person. The person will put you through.
Nobody gave me the I heard it over the radio, so I put it down. I think it's Mr.
You
Adereni.
heard it over the radio,
Yes.
and they dropped the link on the radio.
No, I put down the number and I chatted Mr. Adereni.
Yeah. The person you chatted that now gave you the link, you chat the person up.
Yes.
The person will give you the link.
Okay, okay.
You register.
Okay, I
Then
thought
once
it's the one that is giving the lecture.
you have the person's number ready, right? Once you are ready to start, chat that person. The person will give you a registration link. Register. Once you have registered with the person's link, then the person will put you through, or you can still chat me after you have registered with the persons to put you through. If it's for the labor, if the person can easily add you to the group after your registration. For the
Okay.
coins, we have our channel where we listed all the community coins, good coins that you can trade. You understand? So, but the first things first is for you to go back to that person. Once you are ready to start, the person will send you the link so that you can register. Please don't go
Okay.
online to just download the app because we have fake RoyalQ app. So you meet the person that shared the knowledge with you, get the link,
Okay.
register. So
Okay.
anyone can put you through in the trading aspect. Though you
Okay.
first go to the
Please,
person
can I
to
know your
register.
name?
Okay, so you're welcome.
Hello, sir. Yes, your name, please.
My name is Leader George.
Okay. Thanks for
Okay,
the
so
seminar.
okay, you're welcome. So we have another question. But can someone start the trading below $120, $80, or $70? Okay. Razak said, but can someone start the trading below 120, 80, or 70? In our yesterday's Zoom, or day before yesterday's Zoom, when a lady if they can start with $50. You heard what I replied the lady. Starting a trade in the spot market, you need $10 to $15 can start the trade. But why we are saying you should start with $100 is because for the margin calls. You can start a trade with $15. What happens when the value of that coin starts going down? The robot is supposed to use more USDT to buy the margin calls. That is to buy more quantity of that coin at a cheaper price. But if you don't have that money, that spare USDT, your robot will not buy. So you just have to wait. You understand? So you can start your trade below 120, 80, 70. Okay. So Tom, please meet meet your upline. Meet your upline. The upline will put you through on getting the WhatsApp link, the channels for the signals. Thank you. Okay. So do we have any other question? Do we have any other questions? Okay, I thought I saw leader KK success. Yeah. Okay. So once again,
Sir,
yeah.
sir, good evening,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Good evening. You can go ahead.
Okay. So are there specific coins for like sub buying mode no, for like cycle mode and one shots?
Okay. There are no specific coins that you can trade on one shot or cycle. You understand? But
Okay.
cycle means even when the price is going up, go but continue buying it. You are confident in a coin. When you are confident in a coin that no matter how the price fall, it will go up. And when it goes up and comes down, you just want to trade the coin because you believe in it that whether it goes down, it will come up. If it goes up and it falls down, it will still come up. That is where we advise you can trade those kind of coins on cycle. But coins that we advise for one shot are coins, all these meme coins you don't have confidence in. Ah, this coin is pumping. Let me just squash and trade and get out from it. Let me just take 2% and come out. You put those kind of coins on one shot. So once they give you 2%, you are out. Once they give you to your 1.3% or 3% or 2%, you are out. So that is it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So do you have any other question? Ah, we have a question. Zoom user to me. Good evening, everyone. I'm new here and I want to know more about RoyalQ. Wow. Ijoma Annie, thank you, Leader George. Zoom user, this one is like you joined us late and you joined us late. I don't know which of our leader can do summary now because I'm tired of talking now. I don't know if any of our leader, I thought I saw leader KK success. Okay, I don't know leader Tom Dio. I don't know if you can do a recap or a summary of what RoyalQ is for. It's like our Zoom user just joined us now. And we still have people coming in now. This is almost 9:30. Leader Tom, Leader Tom, I don't know if you can do a summary. We have new persons coming in now. Leader Tom, are you here? You say? Okay, you can speak. Okay. Okay. Uh, Leader Sheriff. When I say Madam is busy. Okay, iPhone, you want to speak to us?
You don't know.
Okay. Hello, you can go ahead. We can hear you. Your line is breaking. Oh.
I'm coming.
Okay, we can hear you now. Ah, like iPhone, this iPhone user is not with us. Okay. Let me do a recap. I said, though this meeting is recorded, you can always get the recording in our YouTube channel. Okay, but RoyalQ is an artificial intelligence robot that uses the help of the robot to trade cryptocurrency in the spot market. Spot market means a place where we buy and sell. You understand? The robot helps us to buy crypto at a price. When the price goes up, it monitors the market so that when the price goes up, it sells them and give us profit. So that is what we do in the business. The robot helps us to trade cryptocurrency in the spot market. Cryptocurrencies are digital tenders. They are digital currencies. We don't see them, but they are digital money. You understand? In this business, we pay for the robot for 1 year, yearly, $120 to pay to rent the robot to work for you yearly. The robot works 247 every day. You understand? You don't give your robot your capital. Your capital stays with you in your exchange. You understand? That is number one selling point in this business. Your money is safe and secured with you in your exchange. You keep at least $10 or $20 for gas fees. You keep them in your exchange. Now you now link your robot with your exchange and you give your robot only two permission. Permission number one is for the robot to be reading the market, to see the market. Permission number two for the robot to be able to buy and sell. So these are the two permissions we give the robot when linking it with our exchange. Your trading capital stays in your exchange. You can always add to your trading capital. Your profit also stays in your exchange. You can always sell your profit at any time in your exchange. So that is the business we are doing. And RoyalQ started in 2021. Me, I started the business in July of 2021, and the business has been fruitful for me because I have bought my car from this business, and the house I'm staying here, I built it here in Lagos from this same business. So the topic for today was the mindset you should have when you want to do this business. You should have a mindset of that you are starting a business, like you are starting a provision store business. You understand? Or your mindset should be in how to grow the business. You might start trading with $100 today, but in 2 to 3 months, how do you want? You should be thinking of how to increase your trading capital to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. You can always increase it by adding your cash, or you can also increase it by the rewards RoyalQ will be giving you when you introduce the business to others. RoyalQ gives you a reward. That one is optional. But if you have money you want to add, you add. If you also say, I can tell this business to my colleague, I can tell this business to my friend, I can tell this business to my neighbor that have money. The business is safe and secured. They don't give their money to RoyalQ like other Ponzi scheme we do. Come and buy package, deposit money, and be clicking button. No, we don't click button to make profit in RoyalQ. They'll tell you click button daily. No, you monitor your business as you will always monitor your provision store business. If you have a sales person there, that is how you monitor this business to make sure that your robot is buying at the right time, the robot is selling at the right time. Some people might be pressing their phone and mistakenly they have off their margin calls. They will not know. They have mistakenly pressed something. So it's only when you want to monitor it, you say, this my margin call switch is off. Why? It's not supposed to be off. You on it and your robot continues. So that is what we are doing here. That is the business. So Zoom user, sorry, is you Zoom user. I hope uh, you understand what I'm saying. So the lowest to start is between 180 to $180 to $240. You understand? That is the lowest you can use to start the business. Okay, and when you're ready to start, please kindly meet the person that introduced this link to you. the person that gave you the Zoom link, that invited you here, the person really have your interest at heart. Because my upline, that the person that introduced me to this business now, is in his house, but me too, I'm in my own house, courtesy from this business. So if you tell someone about the business, it doesn't stop you from shining. As the person is growing, you too, you are also growing. You understand? So that is it. So since we don't have any other question, I'll do the rounding up. I'll do the rounding up. You all, thank you for coming to today's Zoom meeting. And I believe that you have picked up one or two things that will help you be successful in this business. For our old members, those that will likely join us, this mindset, this knowledge you have gotten today will go a long way for you if you put them into practice. If I can do it, if I can be financially free, you too, when you take it serious, you will be financially free. I believe it. I believe it. So thank you once again for coming. We still have our Zoom tomorrow, that's Friday, I think by 8:30. I don't know, leader Oshari. Okay, so the link will be posted. The link will be posted tomorrow morning for our tomorrow Zoom on, I think is on trade. Our Friday Zoom is on. You don't share. You come and help me out too. But the link will be posted and the topic will be posted. So if you are free tomorrow, please, same time, 8:30, join us, join the Zoom. So thank you once again. Thank you for coming. And I pray that you'll be successful in the business. So thank you. Okay. And technical analysis, that will be our topic for tomorrow. So please, if you have time, 8:30, kindly join us. Thank you.